All right. For this problem, what I did first was, since 4 divides evenly into all of these, I just divide the whole equation by 4. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the cosine of 2x with one of the old identities, and I'm going to use the 2 cosine squared x minus 1. All right, so 2 cosine squared x minus 1. And I actually happen to have the same thing there on the right side, if you notice that. But anyway, I'll just work it out algebraically. Pretend I didn't notice that. Distribute there, you're going to get 4 cosine squared, and then minus 2. Yep. Equals 2 cosine squared minus 1. All right, and then we want to move all of our terms. Let's go ahead and move all of our terms to one side real quick. So I'm going to subtract 2 cosine squared of x. Ugh, looks ugly. There we go. I'll subtract 2 cosine squared of x from both sides. So that's going to give me a 2 cosine squared on the left side. And I'm also going to add 1 to both sides. So that negative 2 will become a minus 1. All right. Now I need to solve this equation. What I'll do here, there's only 2 terms. Actually, I'm going to toss that 1. I'll toss that 1 back over to the right side. I get 2 cosine squared equals 1. And then I'm going to divide by 2. Cancel that out. And now if I square root both sides, we're going to get plus or minus, so cosine will equal plus or minus the square root of 1/2. The square root of 1/2, that is 1 over root 2. And if you actually do the rationalize the denominator thing, this turns into root 2 over 2. So what I have here is cosine is equal to plus or minus root 2 over 2. All right, and this is going to end up being all of those 45-degree reference angles because it's plus and minus is what it is. So all 4 of those, that will be your answer. So 45, what was it? 45, 135, 225, and 315. 1 second, actually. All right, yeah. So those 45-degree angle reference angles, those are the only solutions. I was thinking that 0 was also supposed to be a solution, but yeah, it's not. So like it didn't. I don't know why I was thinking it would come out that 0 was 1, but I see the graph here, and 0 is not one of the x-intercepts. All right, it's all those pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, and so forth. Those are the only ones. Okay.